Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. Today we're going to check out the roborock Saros 10R robot vacuum.
And roborock sent us this for the review.
All right, let's check out what's in the box.
All right, lots of boxes. Oh, holy mackerel. Wow. Oh, this must be the vacuum. We'll open that in a minute.
Own little box.
Yeah, own little box.
It's like a briefcase. All right, this is the docking station.
Must be the docking station. Ready? Oh, boy.
This is solid.
In the back, there's a place for the cables.
Place for the cords.
Yeah. So the vacuum comes to dock, and the cleaning arms are right there.
Ooh, what are these things?
Just for cleaning the brushes.
Cool.
All right.
Oh, is this a mirror? Or...
Mirror finish for sure.
Nice.
And then a couple of tanks.
Ah, look at that mirror. Shiny. It's my favorite part. All right, here's the other one. Ready?
Wow, look at that. And then
fancy.
This probably comes off, but we're going to learn how to do it. Let's see.
Ooh.
Yeah, there you go.
There's where the bag goes.
And the filter.
It's already installed in there. There's dirty water and clean water. All right.
That.
What are we going to name this one?
I don't know. You're going to have to come up with a name.
All right.
Okay, which way does it go?
Oh, that must go this way. Roborock Quick Start Guide.
Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh,
nice.
nice.
Very nicely done. Okay.
Here's the part of the base where it
Okay, so
docks.
this is where the dock goes. This is kind of the ramp.
Here's the ramp. Here's the safety guidelines.
All right.
And here's the duo brushes.
Ooh, two brushes that snap on to the robot.
Cool. Here's a little box. It's got cords and extra filter.
So the power
or extra
cord.
bag, actually. Extra dust bag.
Extra dust bag. That's nice.
This is really packaged very well. Let's get him out of the bag.
Okay.
Wow, it's super slim. Look at that.
Okay.
Ooh.
You're right. It's very nice.
It's very slim. Let's turn it around. So
What do you want, like this?
yeah, so you can
So we
see
can see it.
See the camera. So I know it's got the 3D solid state LiDAR.
Right.
Oh, here's where the filter goes.
And the dustbin, I suspect. Though I don't know how to take this out. Oop. Oh, there you go.
That's
You're right.
the
It's the filter. And then that's the dustbin.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's pretty cool. Then what else has it got here? There's no tower on the top.
Yeah, there's no tower, so
because everything's done up front.
everything's done for the cameras in the front, the star sight.
So this must be the charging spots. They got some sort of sensors on it.
See, star sight camera.
Is that what it says? Oh, that's cool. So there. Oh, that's that one there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Star
Then how about
sight
the side?
intelligent system.
Anything on the
Looks
front
like
here?
here's some more cameras over here. Another star sight autonomous system.
Wow.
So there's
quite
cameras
a
in the
bit.
front and the back.
Thing for hitting things.
Yep, and there's a FlexiArm riser. And it's got the rollers.
Now it's got the split rollers.
The split roller's supposed to be a duo divide, so it's supposed to be really good for pets and hairy
So
people.
let's put the pads on. Go ahead and put the pads on.
You want to put the pads on?
Yeah, they're keyed, it looks like.
There's that one.
Oh, that was easy. Don't force it.
There we go.
All right, you don't have to force it, right? It all goes on easy. And then they got a brush for cleaning the edges. And then these things move out.
Yep. This is really nicely packaged. I love how they have everything in the box, so it's much easier to get out and get started. All right, so we got the Saros 10R out of the box, and we can't wait to check it out.
Mop washed. Resuming cleaning.
So we did our initial setup, mapped the house, and labeled the map in preparation for testing. In our initial test, we sent Stanley, yes, Valerie named it, off to clean our laundry room. You'll notice he mopped the floor and avoided the doorstop. He even used his lights in the dark while fitting nicely under the cabinets. And after finishing, went back to the dock to clean the mop.
Starting to wash the mop.
Looking forward to giving Stanley the full workout over the next few weeks.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.